Do you like watching short videos with interesting educational facts? Well, you must have seen these channels before. These channels rake in six-figure to millions of views per video. First, let's take a look at the channels in the history facts niche. With only 22 videos, this channel got over 330,000 subscribers and over 98 million total views. And here's another channel in the same niche. With 51 videos, this channel raked in 400,000 subscribers and 193 million total views. Here's the most viewed short in this channel. And I tried to create a video like this with one AI tool.
In 1771, Augustus II of Poland, known as Augustus the Strong, died in a way no one expected. He was famous for his strength and love of feasts.
Do you like it? I'll teach you how to make it, but wait, I'll show you more. Another niche in the facts category is the random facts or interesting facts. Let's look at some channels in this niche. This channel called Story Ninja posted 110 videos and raked in over 280 million total views and 1.3 million subscribers. Here's another channel in the same niche. With 188 videos, this channel raked in 610,000 subscribers and 187 million total views. Here's the most viewed video in the channel. Here's a similar video I created with AI.
Don't sleep in your bed tonight. Random facts that will save your life. The last one saved me once. If you are outside and you are freezing but suddenly feel really warm out of nowhere, do not remove any clothes.
I used the same AI tool to make this. But before we hop on the tutorial, let me show you one last niche in the facts category. I'm sure you have seen at least one video from this channel. This channel is one of the most viewed shorts channel on YouTube. With 1.1 thousand videos, they have gathered over 25 billion total views. We cannot easily create these kind of videos because it's fully animated in 3D. It would cost thousands of dollars if you pay someone to make it. But we don't necessarily have to create 3D animated videos. We just need to copy their strategy. Look at the video topics closely. Would you click on it just by reading the title alone? 99% of people would, because the topic sparks curiosity, making the viewer want to find out more. So I created a video with similar style using the same AI tool.
Ever stepped out in the rain and later felt like you were catching a cold? Is rainwater to blame? Not exactly. Let's clear up the mystery. Getting wet in the rain doesn't directly make you sick. The real culprits are viruses.
This video is sponsored by VidAI, the AI tool that makes creating YouTube shorts easier than ever. It's packed with features because it's created by Matt Parr, a seasoned YouTuber who runs 12+ channels. Matt is a millionaire through YouTube automation, trusted by some of the biggest creators in the space. He's achieved financial independence and works from anywhere in the world, all thanks to YouTube automation. Now, if you also want to achieve financial independence with YouTube, stick through the entire video because I'll teach you how to create each of these videos step by step. Go to VidAI's website. The link is on the description. You'll see this once you've logged in. Click the plus icon on the left to create a new project. Select Faceless Shorts. Let's rename the file. Now, you can see three options under Popular Topics, Prompt, and Script. If you select the first option, you can choose from their selected topics, and the AI will generate the script for you. But let's focus more on the second and third option. The prompt-to-video feature can take a simple idea and turn it into a fully fledged video. Let's use this feature to create the History Facts short. I'll paste my prompt, select a duration. Now, let's select our narrator voice. The best thing is they have great options that sounds like real human voice. I'll go with the Matt voice for this. You have a few options here for the visual. They have AI-generated images, gameplay, and satisfying videos. I'll go with AI-generated images for this. You can choose from different image styles. I'll go with natural. Now, let's proceed to generate the content. It only takes this tool a few seconds to generate the images and script. As you can see, the script and images are divided on each side, but if you hover over an image, you'll see the corresponding text being highlighted. So, the script is already good for me, but you also have the option to edit it. Just click the Edit Script button and make your changes. Then click Submit. If you wish to change the image, you also have the option to regenerate or upload. Let's try regenerating a few images. Enable this button and enter your prompt. As you can see, the image quality is super good. All right, once you're satisfied with the script and images, click Next. You have the option to add a background music. They have here some of the viral music that's used for this type of video. Now, let's move to the advanced options. They have auto captions, which automatically generates subtitles in multiple languages. You can customize the style here. As for the video effect, you can choose zoom or shape. Now let's generate the video and play it.
Did you know a war started over a pig? welcome to the Pig War of 1859. It all began when a farmer found his prized pig rooting through his garden. Tensions escalated when the farmer demanded compensation from the British.
Alright, now let's make the random facts shorts. For this, we will be using the prompt to video feature. Let's paste our prompt. I'll still go with the 30 to 60 second duration. For the narrator, I'll choose this voice named Milo. As for the video, I'll go with this satisfying machine crusher background. I want to add images, so I'll check this box. Now, let's proceed to generate. So, here's the script and images. It all seems good, so I'll click next. I'll choose this background music and keep the same options for the subtitles. So I'll proceed to generate. Here's the result.
Did you know honey never spoils? Archaeologists found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Nature loves to confuse us.
Now, let's create the last short. For this, we will use the script to video feature. I'll generate the script using ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give me video ideas similar to these. Now pick an idea and ask ChatGPT to write a script similar to these transcripts. Now copy the script, then go back to VidAI and paste it. I'll pick Anthony for the narrator. For the visual, I'll pick this natural AI image. Then let's proceed to generate. The images are good to go, so I'll click next. I'll choose this background music and keep the same style here. Then let's proceed to generate. Here's the result.
If you completely stopped sleeping, you might think you'd just feel tired all the time. But the effects are way more serious than that. After just 24 hours without sleep, your brain starts to struggle.
This tool is perfect for those who are just starting out with YouTube Shorts. It saves you time and energy, allowing you to scale more channels effortlessly. Try VidAI and take your YouTube Shorts channel to the next level. Again, link is on the description. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and see you on the next video.